Today's weekly project is about no for throwing tissues on the ground because it can cause viruses and germs to be spread from one person to another.
پروژه هفته ما لسر نابو فردان کلینکس لسر زویج کدبته هوی بکتریاو نخوشی لنفرك ونفرك كتر.
We shouldn't throw gum on the ground because birds and other animals might think it's food, which might put their lives in danger.
نابد بنيس بلا عردي داني بو أوي بجاندار وبالندان ودا زانو قوارنا خجاني عندك نسر مدرسيان.
Not only gum and tissues, any other trash that you put on the ground might lead to danger for the world and environment. For example, like plastic bottles. When the sunlight hits the bottles, it might cause a fire and ruin the habitats of animals and our homes. Can you guys please repeat after me? No for throwing tissues on the ground. نابو فريدان كلينس سرزوي. To this week's project for not throwing tissues on the ground. Hope you guys got a lesson of it.